I got a long receipt because I went to the Cosmetic Company Store for my monthly run, and yes, we got a haul, y'all. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here. Happy to be back. As always, we have a haul here. As you all know, I love to go to the Cosmetic Company Store that is located so conveniently right in the city. Love that. I always like to go in and check to see what they have. For the new elves that may not be familiar with the Cosmetic Company Store, it is the official outlet of all the Estee Lauder brands. That's what they do. So we're talking Clinique, we're talking Tom Ford, we're talking Killian, we're talking Frederick Mall, we're talking Estee Lauder Skincare, we're talking Glam Glow, the list goes on. When I say Estee Lauder owns so much, and yes, they have an official overstock outlet, retailer, whatever you want to call it, that can be found in a lot of different places. So I always like to pop into my local one just to see what they have. I actually haven't been in 2 months. It was like a totally new store, and that was exciting. And I literally found a wish list item as well as something I have not seen in years that I was like stoked to get. We'll get into it. As always, lipstick of the day, everyone. I went for an old school 2000s light pink look. I'm really here for this. This is MAC Snob. This was iconic. It's a very blue based type of pink. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Next up, we have fragrance of the day. Keeping with the pink vibe, I went in with my Burberry Elixir for her, y'all. This is so good. I have a full dedicated review on the channel already. Actual fun fact, head elf picked this one out for me to wear today. He said it smells really good and he wanted to smell this one. I said, okay, I'm gonna wear it. So here we are. Burberry Her Elixir is your fragrance of the day. All right, so now let's get into the haul from the Cosmetic Company Store. Here is the bag that I had. They were out of their traditional branded bags. They was like, but hey, look, we're gonna give you a bag for your stuff, and it works. I'm here for it. So first thing that I picked up, the reason I even went in the store in the first place was because I was almost out of my favorite makeup remover that I wear all the time. Y'all have seen this in favorites videos. You know, I recommend it every time there's a sale, and this is the Clinique. What's the name of it? Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I just use it as my makeup remover. This stuff, when I say it doesn't have a smell, no fragrance, it's balmy texture. You just put it in your hand, smother it all over your face, and then rinse it off. It takes your makeup off, and I just love it. Most importantly, it does not strip your skin of moisture, because a lot of makeup removers leave your skin feeling really, really dry, and I don't like that. So therefore, I've been addicted to this going on 2 years, so I always like to go in and pick it up, of course, at a discount. Because, oh, not sure if I said this, everything at the Cosmetic Company Store is at a discounted rate because it's the overflow for Estee Lauder brand. So everything ranges between 30% to 50% off, and then if it's like a holiday weekend, say like Mother's Day, Memorial Day weekend, 4th of July, that like additional 10 or 15% off depending on what's going on at that time. So as you saw at the beginning, I do have the receipt, and I will share prices because I know people like to know, okay, what's the sale, what's the discount. So on the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, regular price is $38 retail. This was on sale for 30% off at the time, so I ended up paying $26.60 for it. Hey, we love a sale. The next item I picked up is a Holy Grail product. That's just the best way to put it. This is my all-time favorite mascara. I have owned so many tubes of this mascara. I used to buy it, used to get it in gratis when I was an artist for the company, as well as just me buying it in my own right. So whenever I see they have it in store, I have to get it. And the mascara I'm referring to is the MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. Here it is. I'm gonna unbox it because, of course, all of the MAC packaging looks the same. And you're like, girl, I don't know what that is. It all looks the same. They make a million products. But most importantly is this version. It is this tube where it has the blacked out MAC all over it. There is the regular original in Extreme Dimension lash with the white writing, but that one isn't my favorite. The black lash is important because this is carbon black. It's the blackest black that you can get. And I'm sorry, I live for me a good old dark mascara that's very volumizing and it coats every single lash. I love this stuff. I used to sell it all the time because I wear it myself. So whenever I see it in store, which is very rare, by the way, at the Cosmetic Company Store, you gotta get a tube. So let's get into the price. Price for the Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. Regular price is $26 retail. It was half off, so I paid $13 for it. The next item I found, let me tell you something. I was so sad when this went away, but to find it, it sent my heart into a flutter. I was so happy about this. A lot of times you all ask me about like contouring and like what's going on with the cheek, how do we get that? My favorite product, I've been wearing this product since, it has to be 2015, 2016, so we almost at 10 years here. This is a iconic blush. It's really an eyeshadow. They started out as an eyeshadow, but then they made it into a blush. The eyeshadow is still available, and what I'm referring to is MAC Swiss Chocolate. So Swiss Chocolate, let me show y'all how dedicated I am to this. This is my personal Swiss Chocolate eyeshadow. You see the pan, you see how I use this. Oh, and please believe I already have a backup of this already ready to go in my overflow box, just so you know. But I wanted to show you like how much I love this color. I use it as a crease color to help like add more definition to my eyeshadows, so I love it. So around the time when I was still working at the MAC counter at the company, they released a series of blushes in these iconic type of colors, and Swiss Chocolate was released as a blush, right? So y'all can see how real it is. This is still my original one from that collection. Look how beat up that is, so you know it's real. I mean, look at the back. When I say this is tried and true of a product, I use this all the time. I love it. I have experimented and used other contouring products, but I always end up going back to this one because it's my favorite. Swiss Chocolate is just that perfect. It's like coolish but reddish type of brown, but it's deep enough. At the same time, I'm actually wearing it today, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. So that's how dedicated I am to MAC Swiss Chocolate. So y'all, when I saw this right here was in the store, they had it, Swiss Chocolate. I'm gonna unbox it just because I haven't seen a brand new one in years. What's this, like 8 years at this point? Oh, look at that, brand new. Check that out. This is my favorite product. Technically, yes, it is a blush, but I love to use it as a contour because if you're in my skin tone range, as you can see, it just works. It just works. For record, for those that may be wondering, in MAC foundation, I wear NC47. So if you within that realm of MAC, then you can definitely rock this too. But the fact that they had this, I had to get it. I had to get it. I'm like, I don't care. I don't care if I don't get to it for another 3 years, but it's just nice to know that I have a backup of it. So happy about finding that. Super happy, y'all. So okay, price, because I know y'all want to know. So for the blush, regular price was $28. Retail is what that would be. On sale, it was half off, so $14. We like that. And if the blush wasn't enough for you all, this next item put me in even more of a heightened state of excitement, if that's even possible. Like, I was catching my best life up in there, just living my best life. And I had to store it myself too, that was even better. This is a product I have had on my wish list for years. I'm talking, let's see, since 2019. I've wanted this since 2019. I have been to other cosmetic company stores trying to find it in different cities. I've tried to get it on discount, can't find it on a discount, none of that. So when I saw that this fragrance, yes, it is a fragrance, because I mean, y'all know, it was gonna have to be a fragrance in this haul, y'all know that. When I saw this fragrance, I was like, what is it? What's the price? It all made sense, and you'll understand. The fragrance I found that has been an ultimate wish list item for me is none other than Tom Ford's Neroli Portofino. I'm literally gonna unbox this on camera with you all because I've been holding on to this. I'm like, we're gonna have this moment together on camera. And for those that are wondering, this is the 30 ml size. And that is it without the plastic. And most importantly, there you go. Neroli Portofino. I love the color. Look at that. Super cute. This is an icon amongst the Tom Ford lineup. This is a summer staple. This is a unisex fragrance, although I notice a lot of men tend to wear it more so than the ladies. But for me, I had a trial size of it, like a travel size, and I used it all the way up on a vacation back in the day, and I was like, I'm gonna get the full size bottle at some point, right? Here we are a few years later. I finally made good on that. And here's the thing that's even cooler. So literally when the sales associate was pulling this for me, you all, she said, actually, it's a good thing you're gonna get it, because she said, it's literally my last one. I said, oh, I'm not surprised, because I have seen all the other blue bottles in his collections, the other aquatic type of scents, but never the actual Neroli Portofino in there. So she was like, yeah, it's been a staple. And on top of that, it's been graduation season and all those type of things. So we've had a lot of more tourists in the malls and stuff here in Nashville. So y'all, yeah, I would have bought this too, and that's why I did. I got it. But This is a summer icon, and oh, this is so good. I already know the head up was going to end up stealing this one, but he's going to have to put it back. I don't care. Oh, Neroli Portofino just makes me so happy. Now let's get into the price, because I know this is what y'all want to know. So price, y'all. For Neroli Portofino, retail pricing for the 30 ml size or 1 ounce, retail is $180. I paid $94 because it was half off. So I was like, Tom Ford for under $100 from the private blend collection. It's a yes for me. Neroli Portofino, y'all. This was just yes. This right here alone made the haul worth it. And I'm not done because I ended up getting some other gifts along with purchase that was just kind of like a thing going on that weekend. And so I'm like, okay, we love freebies. So everything else I'm showing following up after this was for free. So I was gifted this from Origins. This is their Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience. It's a fortifying emulsion is what this is. And it pays to really look at your products and look them up, because I went in my drawer and I said, wait a minute, I think I have a full size of that. And I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the full size of the Origins, this mushroom emulsion. This is what it looks like. Check that out. This is a bestseller from the Origins lineup. So all of my Origins girlies, let me know, is this product everything? I'm gonna try it anyway. I'm excited. So technically this is supposed to be for immediate soothing hydration. It's supposed to visibly minimize pores. It's supposed to strengthen your skin barrier. And then let's see, what's this last thing? Reduces visible redness. So okay, we always love some good skincare. So I will be having fun with my little sample. I keep this as a travel size, and of course I have the full size of this here Origins Mega Mushroom Relief Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. Gotta say the whole thing. So the next product I got, this is from Estee Lauder, you all. So I love Estee Lauder skincare. It's like up there, it's a GOAT. So we have, this is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix. I didn't even know they made this, so this is what the sample looks like. Obviously this is for the eye area, which, let me tell you something. Nobody prepares you for how your eyes start to show aging in your 30s. So this is right on time, and this is what my sample looks like. Advanced Night Repair, anything from them is just, yes. The serum is already iconic. I already have the other Reset Concentrate that I like, so to have an eye version is perfect, because as y'all know, your girl is getting ready to walk down that aisle this year. So we always want anything to help us look more bright-eyed and bushy-tailed and just, you know, the most beautiful bride in the world, you know, all that. So it's Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix. Very excited to have. Then another freebie I received, this is a full size, very happy about that. This is from Clinique, and this is the Repair Wear Uplifting Firming Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 15. Check that out. So this one I was unfamiliar with, so I looked it up as well, but I'm gonna show you all the full size. This is what it looks like. So part of that silver lineup, from what I've seen, the silver lineup is always like really, really nice. And I looked this up, y'all, full price. This is $74 for the full size, which is what I have. So I was like, okay, thank you. This is a firming cream for your face and neck. It's definitely supposed to boost the collagen, elasticity, those type of things. And also supposed to help with those laugh lines and whatnot. So definitely good for the anti-aging season that I am entering, okay? So very excited about it. It actually has de-aging up here in the corner on the box. So I will be playing in this. Or if not, my mom will probably end up taking it from me. Then the last thing they were doing was, apparently it was their birthday celebration at the time I was in the store. So it was like buy anything, it didn't matter what price point, and you would get a free lipstick. And they had a ton of MAC lipsticks in, which you all know, MAC lipsticks are my favorite. They are my heart. It is what it is. So when I saw they had this color, because you just can never find it at a discount, just because it's such an iconic color, I had to get it. So the lipstick I got was a special edition packaging of Ruby Woo. It's from their Valentine's Day collection. So I mean, hey, it's not old. And look how cute that is. It's like hearts and stuff all over it. And I mean, we all know what Ruby Woo looks like, but I'm gonna just show it. It's that iconic old Hollywood retro matte red. I wear this color often on the channel, so why not have a backup? especially for the freezy. So all right, everyone, that wraps up my haul that I did at the Cosmetic Company Store. Definitely check your stores, see what they have. As you see, this was a combination of makeup, skincare, as well as fragrance. That's why I like to go in there. I always check my Cosmetic Company Store first before I shop retail, just because I can usually find exactly what I'm looking for. Because these are products that's like good stuff, not no junk. And all in all, like after taxes and everything, I spent $156. And for all of these products, especially knowing full retail what a lot of this stuff costs, that's a steal. So very happy with my haul. I will go back probably in June, just because I like to do a monthly walkthrough, just see what they have, and we'll see what happens then. And if I find any more gems, I definitely will be doing another haul video for y'all. So as always, if you're digging me, subscribe to the channel. If you're here for the content, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not here for any of this, I guess you don't like a good sale and a good beauty haul. But until next time else, I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.